EchoStar made headlines from the sale of wireless spectrum licenses to AT&T for approximately $23 billion. This deal is part of EchoStar's efforts to resolve inquiries from the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, regarding the company's compliance obligations to provide 5G service in the United States. The acquisition will add around 50 megahertz of low-band and mid-band spectrum to AT&T's holdings, covering nearly every market in the United States. EchoStar's CEO Hamid Akhavan stated that the transaction puts the company's business on a solid financial path. The company continues to evaluate opportunities for its remaining spectrum portfolio. AT&T plans to use the acquired spectrum to expand its 5G wireless and home internet services, enhancing its connectivity offerings. The deal is expected to close in mid-2026, subject to regulatory approvals. Earlier, EchoStar also selected MDA Space as the prime contractor for a new low Earth orbit (LEO) satellite constellation designed to provide direct-to-device connectivity services. The initial contract is valued at approximately $1.3 billion for designing, manufacturing, and testing over 100 software-defined MDA Aurora satellites. The full configuration includes 200 satellites with potential expansion to thousands based on demand. This constellation will provide global talk, text, and broadband services directly to standard 5G non-terrestrial network handheld devices. EchoStar estimates the total cost of the LEO constellation at $5 billion, bringing its total investment in satellite connectivity to over $18 billion since 2012. EchoStar operates three primary business segments: pay TV, wireless, and broadband and satellite services. Pay TV services are offered under the Dish and Sling brands. The Dish-branded service includes direct broadcast satellite and fixed satellite service spectrum usage, owned and leased satellites, and other operational assets. Sling offers multi-channel, live linear, and on-demand streaming services. EchoStar's wireless segment provides 5G voice over new radio services and 5G broadband service. Services are offered primarily under the Boost Mobile and Gen Mobile brands. The company has invested over $30 billion in wireless spectrum licenses and is deploying a cloud-native, open radio access network-based 5G network. EchoStar provides broadband services to consumers and satellite, multi-transport technologies, and managed network services to enterprises, telecommunications providers, airlines, and government entities. The EchoStar XXIV satellite, launched into service in December 2023, enhances broadband capacity across North and South America. EchoStar also designs and provides gateway and terminal equipment for satellite systems and offers in-flight network connectivity solutions for aviation. EchoStar's wireless spectrum licenses have certain build-out requirements and renewal conditions. The FCC has conditionally granted extensions for some deployment deadlines based on commitments made by EchoStar. The company has certified meeting certain accelerated build-out and coverage obligations. Final deployment deadlines for certain licenses are extended to December 14, 2026, and potentially to June 14, 2028, contingent on meeting remaining commitments. EchoStar promotes its pay TV services by offering a better price-to-value relationship and experience compared to other subscription television service providers. Sling TV services are marked to consumers who do not subscribe to traditional satellite and cable pay TV services, as well as to current and recent traditional pay TV subscribers seeking a lower-cost alternative. A wide selection of local and national HD programming is offered through industry-leading technology. For example, with award-winning DVRs, including the Hopper Whole Home HD DVR, multiple tuner receivers, video on demand, and external hard drives. Sling TV services include Sling Orange, Sling Blue, International, Latino, and Freestream, among others, along with add-on extras, direct-to-consumer services, pay-per-view events, and a cloud-based DVR service. Customer service improvement focuses on the quality of initial installations, enhancing equipment reliability, educating customers about products and services, and resolving customer problems promptly and effectively. Historically viewed as a low-cost provider in the pay TV industry, EchoStar now focuses on a message of service, value, and technology with Dish TV. The company offers a differentiated customer experience with the award-winning Hopper platform, integrating voice control, access to apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, and the ability to watch content anywhere with the Dish Anywhere mobile application. Sling TV services are among the lowest-priced live linear online streaming services. Dish TV services offer a wide selection of video services with access to hundreds of channels. Subscribers can access streaming content through Dish On Demand and use dishanywhere.com or the Dish Anywhere mobile application to view content, search listings, and control DVR features. Sling TV services require an internet connection and are available on multiple streaming-capable devices, offering domestic, international, Latino, and free-stream video programming. EchoStar operates in the U.S. consumer market, using various media to promote its services. The company often offers promotions to new subscribers. While direct sales channels are used, a significant portion of new Dish TV subscriber activations come through independent third parties. EchoStar incurs upfront costs for in-home equipment for Dish TV subscribers, which are typically leased. EchoStar incurs costs to retain Dish TV subscribers, including equipment upgrades and retention credits. EchoStar's wireless segment business strategy focuses on expanding target segments, growing the wireless subscriber base profitably, and commercializing and growing customer traffic on the company's 5G network. The goal is to grow its wireless subscriber base by acquiring and retaining high-quality subscribers with competitive offers, choice, and outstanding customer service that meets subscribers' needs and budget. EchoStar offers nationwide wireless services primarily under the Boost Mobile and Gen Mobile brands, along with a competitive portfolio of wireless devices. Customers get value through choice and flexibility in wireless services. Prepaid wireless subscribers pay in advance for monthly access to wireless talk, text, and data services. Postpaid wireless subscribers are qualified to pay after receiving services and may qualify for device financing arrangements. During 2023, EchoStar launched nationwide expansion of Boost Mobile postpaid wireless service and began offering premium wireless devices, including Apple products. EchoStar is operating primarily as a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, while continuing its 5G network deployment, and is transitioning to a mobile network operator, MNO, as the 5G network becomes commercially available. This coverage is made possible due in part to dependence on T-Mobile and AT&T for network services under agreements, as well as EchoStar's own investments of over $30 billion in wireless spectrum licenses, excluding $10 billion of capitalized interest. EchoStar continues to commercialize these licenses through completion of the 5G network deployment, having committed to the FCC to deploy a 5G network serving increasingly larger portions of the U.S. population. The wireless spectrum licenses are subject to build-out and renewal requirements. The FCC has confirmed EchoStar met certain 5G deployment commitments, and in September 2024, conditionally granted requests to extend deployment deadlines for certain licenses based on commitments. EchoStar offers wireless subscribers competitive plans with no annual contracts, including high-speed data and unlimited talk and text. Value-added services include device payment and protection plans, and device financing for qualified subscribers. The company operates in the U.S. consumer market using indirect sales channels through third-party retailers and direct sales channels online. Products and services are marketed through Boost-branded stores, multi-branded stores, national retail stores, and other outlets. The wireless communication services market is mature with moderate organic growth. EchoStar competes with national wireless carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Other competitors include MVNOs like Metro PCS, Cricket Wireless, and others. Competitive factors include pricing, market saturation, service and product offerings, customer experience, and service quality. EchoStar's broadband and satellite services segment business strategy aims to maintain and improve the company's leadership position and competitive advantage. This is achieved through the development of leading-edge technologies and services marketed to selected sectors within the consumer, enterprise, and government markets globally. EchoStar expects demand for broadband internet access, connectivity, networking, and related value-added services to continue growing across all major end-user markets. The company's strategic objective is to maintain its leadership position and grow its competitive advantage by utilizing its satellite assets, expertise, technologies, investments, global presence, relationships, and spectrum assets. EchoStar provides broadband satellite technologies and broadband internet products and services to consumer customers. For government and enterprise customers, the company offers broadband network technologies, managed services, equipment, hardware, satellite services, and communications solutions. EchoStar also designs, provides, and installs gateway and terminal equipment for other satellite systems, and develops telecommunication networks for mobile system operators and enterprise customers. Enterprise customers include retailers, financial institutions, aircraft connectivity providers, and others relying on satellite or terrestrial networks for critical communications. Most enterprise customers have long-term contracts. Consumer customers are home and small to medium-sized businesses in the Americas, receiving broadband satellite technologies and internet services. The industry is highly competitive with many telecommunications and satellite internet service providers. In enterprise markets, EchoStar competes against providers of satellite-based and terrestrial-based networks. In in-flight connectivity, competitors include Viasat and SpaceX. For consumer broadband satellite services, competitors include traditional carriers, other satellite internet providers like Viasat and Starlink, SpaceX, fiber optic, cable, and wireless internet providers. Some products are assembled at EchoStar's facilities, while others are outsourced to third parties for component development and manufacture. Looking ahead, EchoStar is focused on maintaining positive operating free cash flow and optimizing subscriber profitability. The company is expanding its Hughes enterprise business and growing its Boost Mobile segment. CEO Hamid emphasized EchoStar's unique market position, highlighting the company's capability for wideband connectivity and the self-funding nature of their business model. He stated that the business model easily self-funds all of that R&D and additional expansion. In the wireless segment, EchoStar will focus on subscriber growth and retention, with 1.55 million subscribers now on its own network. Improved churn metrics suggest these efforts are yielding results, though higher marketing expenditures have been noted. For the Hughes satellite business, EchoStar emphasizes enterprise growth, particularly in aviation, with a future-proof in-flight connectivity solution. An 8% growth in enterprise contracted backlog indicates this strategy is gaining traction. For more on EchoStar and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.